So FFmpeg is one of the most powerful tools for video and audio. It can do almost anything, but don't worry, you don't need to know everything to get started. FFmpeg is one of the best video editing tools out there. We can do much more with it, but it takes a lot of understanding of it. But still, it does not keep us from using it for basic editing and stuff. In this video, we're going to see how to record the screen using FFmpeg. Let's open a new shell. Here we go. Let's minimize them first. Okay, so assuming you've already installed FFmpeg, very basic. To see if you've installed, just type FFmpeg -- blah blah, and you'll know if it is or not. Okay, now we type FFmpeg -fx11 grab. So here it is. We are telling FFmpeg to grab the screen. Here, -f means format. This is called option or parameter. And x11 grab is argument we pass into -f. -video _ size space 1920 by 1080 and \. So this is the resolution of the screen. By giving this, we are telling FFmpeg to record this area, which in this case is the whole screen. Now look at this. We can do +xy. This for recording a window or a region. Now how do we know the values of x and y? Let me show you. If you're intermediate level of Linux user, you might know better than me. But if you're Nubita, let me show you. Open a new shell and type this command, xwininfo, enter, and click on the window that we need to record. Here, this is what we needed. Let's do one more time. xwininfo, enter. Here it is. Now, replace this x with 151 and 109 and done. This is how you can record the window. But for now, let's stick to the whole screen. So actually, we don't even need this. It will record whole screen by default, so just remove it. Moving further, for Nubita, you know we can actually type whole command in one line without using \, like -framerate 24 or 25 space -I blah blah blah. But for cleaner look, let's do it with line continuation for now. --framerate 25 -- I:0.0 -f pulse. --prefix words are called parameters or options. -I is for input source. 0.0 is actually means whole screen. And -AC2-I default \. Now, -f is format and pulse, which is for audio source, pulse audio. And -AC is audio channel and set to 2, which is stereo. It is for stereo. We can use mono too by -AC1. You can't comment in same line after \. Either do it in next line or before, like this. Okay, so moving on, next parameter is -c:\vlib x264. So this is choose video, and argument is the codec, in this case H.264, which is very universal. Even Monster Corp use it. And now, -preset. It can be medium. By default, it is medium. Can be slow, very slow. The slower, bigger the size and better the quality. We will use veryfast, which is generally good, and also as I use Live Linux, which is booting from this tiny flash drive, so I'll stick to veryfast. Here you can set constant rate factor. By default, it is 23, which is quite good, so we can remove it. Not necessary here as Nubitas. Now, we have parameter -c colon AAAC and -b colon A128K. -c colon A sets the audio codec. Just like -c colon V sets the video codec, AAC is the codec, and H.264 codec for video we chose. This is bitrate for audio. 128K is good enough. We are not going to enjoy music, are we? Audio files? Thought so. Save space, you ain't Elon Musk. Now, output file name with the format we want. Let's do mkv. And this will save the recording file in home directory. If you want to save in a specific directory, so you just put the path of that directory where you want to save output, like this. Here, this recording is already running, which is the very video you are watching, this. Here, you can actually run FFmpeg in multiple shell, and they all can record independently. Cool, isn't it? Okay, this is the directory. Type in here /home/Kali or your user/videos. Remember, Linux paths are case sensitive. /videos is different from /videos, so be careful. And name of the output file with format extension and enter. Here, see, this is the file recording. Let's see if it works. Now let's see if the audio records too or not. Let's play some audio files.
Den blomstertid.
Okay, now we see, quit this job first. Let me see if it's not the main one. Nope. Okay. Ctrl+C to stop recording. Open the recording and see if it worked or not. Nubita, if you're wondering what was that music player, so this, the universally the best video player, the VLC media player. I can make video on this for some basic functionalities too later if you want. Anyway, let's play the test.mkv to see if it worked. Let's see if the audio recorded or not. Looks like it is not. Set live. Okay, so we need to change the audio source. For it to capture audio from the device, look at this line. This not working. Probably not the correct monitor source. So now, we first find the correct source. Open a shell. Type this command, pactl list short sources, and it will list audio output source. Here. Very well. Now, look for the one that has .monitor. Copy it. Okay, now we run the recording again, but with new input source, FFmpeg -fx11. Grab. Let's do this in one line for practice. Minus framerate 25, I 0.0, minus F pulse minus AC2 minus I. Now paste the monitor audio source that records the audio. For Nubita, it is Ctrl plus Shift plus B. Now -C: blibx264 preset veryfast -C: AAAC -B: A128K \. So this given the format for a screen. This the frame rate set to 25. This the input for display 0 and screen 0, which is by default this primary display and whole screen. -F pulse, format or device pulse for audio. -AC audio channel 2, which is stereo. Okay, now define the path for output file and enter. And what? Okay, here it is. Let's correct this. And enter. Okay, so let's see if it is working. Minimize this, play some audio, and we will see if it works. Stop the recording and let's see. Well, it is working very well. Okay, let's see the recap. We did xwininfo to get the info about an open window. We used pactl to get the right audio input source. Grabbed the .monitor1, which is responsible for recording audio on device. We used it in FFmpeg command here. Don't forget the colon here. And I can make a video about this VLC CLI tools basic use for Nubita if you want. Just tell me. So that's how you record your screen with FFmpeg, including video plus audio. If you want me to cover VLC CLI basics, drop it in the comments.